In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ClickUp with consulting clients. If you're a consultant, having a repeatable, organized workflow saves time and gives clients a professional, consistent experience from day one. We'll start by grabbing a ready-made consulting template and then walk through how to apply it in your workspace, customize the basics, and view your project at a glance. Begin by opening your browser and searching for the phrase Consulting Service Template ClickUp. Using that exact phrase helps you land on the official ClickUp resource quickly. In the results, choose the link that clearly references the Consulting Services template on the ClickUp domain. Once you're on the template page, skim the overview so you understand what's included, how it's structured, and what kinds of lists, tasks, and views it will create. Think of this as a solid starting framework for discovery, deliverables, timelines, and communication. When you're ready, click Get Free Template. If you're prompted to open or select your workspace, just continue until you see the option to use the template inside the app. Now, inside ClickUp, start from your home page. Open the plus menu to reveal additional options, then choose Templates. From here, select the consulting project plan if that best matches your needs. Click Use Template to apply it. When prompted, enter the project name you want to use for this engagement, something clear and client-friendly, and confirm by clicking Use Template again. ClickUp will now create the folders, lists, example tasks, and default views that come with the template. You'll typically see list and board views, and in many cases, a timeline or Gantt option as well. Take a moment to explore. Open the tasks by status view to understand how work moves from intake to completion. Switch to the schedule view to see how due dates align across the engagement. Then check the project summary to get a clean, high-level snapshot you can reference during status updates. Next, open the main client record or project-level task. Type in your key highlights, such as objectives, scope notes, and major milestones, and confirm any fields the template provides, like priority or target dates. This gives you a central place to keep the essentials visible. If you're bringing someone new onto the project, add them here and specify their role so responsibilities are clear from the start. When you're done, return to your workspace home. That's it. You searched for the official consulting template, brought it into your account, named your project, explored the core views, captured the most important highlights, and added your team. With this foundation in place, you can move faster, keep projects on track, and deliver a polished, consistent client experience every time.